Welcome to the Lectric Service Center. Today, we'll be showing you how to bend the fenders back into place on your XP Trike. Your fenders might have been bent during the shipping process or during general use and riding. The main goal is to center the fender back over your tire. To begin, press the fender gently against the tire. Depending on placement, it may help to press the fenders against the fender stays first before adjusting the fender. You may have to overextend the fender over the tire to bend the fender into its actual place. It's okay to use some force, but be careful not to use too much force, as this might break the fender. Make adjustments as needed to center the fender over the tire. Once your fenders are back into place, you are ready to ride. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer support team at contact@lectricebikes.com or give us a call at 602-715-0907. Thanks for watching.